Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking with a comprehensive guide on how to dual boot Parrot OS alongside your Windows 10 or 11 system. This powerful Linux distribution is specifically designed for security professionals, penetration testers, and anyone interested in exploring the digital underground. We'll assume you've already created a bootable USB drive using a tool like Rufus or Balinature. If not, check out the official Parrot OS documentation for detailed instructions. We will cover it in another video. A fundamental understanding of computer hardware and operating systems is helpful. Why dual boot Parrot OS? By dual booting, you create a separate, isolated environment for your security experiments and ethical hacking endeavors. This prevents any potential risk from affecting your main Windows system. Parrot OS comes pre-installed with a wide range of powerful tools for network analysis, vulnerability assessment, reverse engineering, and more. With Parrot OS, you can learn new skills, practice techniques, and experiment with security concepts without compromising your primary operating system. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. Select the USB drive as the boot priority and save the changes. You'll be greeted by the Parrot OS bootloader. Select the Live Default option to boot into a live environment. Once the live environment loads, you'll see the XFCE desktop. Open the terminal and type sudo parrot installer to start the installation process. Select your preferred language and keyboard layout. Choose whether you want to connect to a network during the installation. This is a critical step. You'll need to partition your hard drive to allocate space for both Windows and Parrot OS. Guided partitioning. The installer can automatically partition your drive, but it's recommended to use manual partitioning for more control. Manual partitioning. Create a separate partition for Parrot OS, ensuring it has enough space for your needs. Remember to format the partition as ext4. The installer will copy the Parrot OS files to the designated partition. The installer will configure the Grab bootloader, which allows you to choose between Windows and Parrot OS at startup. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to reboot your system. After rebooting, you'll see the Grab bootloader. Select Parrot OS to boot into your new system. Start exploring the various tools and utilities that Parrot OS offers. Keep your Parrot OS installation up to date with the latest security patches and software updates. Before making any changes to your hard drive, back up your important data. Incorrect partitioning can lead to data loss. If you're unsure, seek expert advice or use the guided partitioning option. When using Parrot OS for security testing, always obtain proper authorization and adhere to ethical guidelines. By following these steps and taking your time, you'll successfully dual boot Parrot OS and unlock a world of security possibilities. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking!